Hello, I'm Timothy Turtle, Regional Sales Manager for MyCommittee.com. MyCommittee is the world's leading committee management service with over 10,000 committees. In this short video, I will show you how to set a meeting, create an agenda, and distribute it to your members. So let's get started by logging in. After logging in, you are greeted with the overview screen. Notice on the right there are a number of common tasks that you can use at any time. Across the top there are the various sections for the Turtle Creek Management Committee, and in the middle are notifications and updates. Let's make a meeting. Here we see a list of previous meetings. We'll create a new one, and we'll use the default dates and times that were set when we created this committee. This is your attendance list, which you can adjust if you know some of your members are going to be absent, and here is where you will also add guests that are welcome to the meeting. This tab is for uploading meeting documents. We'll skip it, but later I will show you how to upload a document and attach it to a specific agenda item. Most regular committee meetings have standing items, which we set when we created this committee and can be changed under committee settings. You can also deselect them if you don't need them on the agenda, or add others. I'll show you here how to add a document to our financial report item. Expand the item, attach a file, choose a document from your computer, add some extra information as required, and upload the document. That's all there is to it. Let's move on. This is the old or business arising section of the agenda. It contains all the items that were either deferred or parked in previous meetings, and you can select or deselect depending on what you want to put on this agenda. This is how my committee never forgets items that are not yet complete. Now on to new business. New business is where you add new items to your agenda, but it is also where you will see items requested by members. Let's defer this one as we don't have enough time in this meeting, and add a few others. Select Add New Item. Enter a meaningful title for the agenda item. You would normally select a lead for the discussion and the amount of time it's scheduled to take. The more information you put in the description, the less work you'll have to do when it's time for the minutes. And the item's added. Let's move on. The second last section is for review, where you'll see all your agenda items that you've either selected or added, as well as guests that you have invited. And here you can also produce PDF copies of the agenda or save it to your Outlook calendar. Let's move to the final step. Now it's time to distribute our completed agenda. Select who it goes to. Add any specific notes that you want that will accompany the agenda link in the email. You can either distribute it later, but let's distribute it now. And it's on its way. Note the new meeting, and on the overview screen, you've been assigned a task to read the agenda, and you've been notified of a new document added. This is the email that you will receive notifying you of the meeting. Simply click on it, read the agenda, and confirm your attendance. This concludes our video on how to set up a basic meeting with an agenda. I hope you found it helpful and are willing to look at all the other features that are available for agendas and minutes. Thank you.